How to create an avatar with Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and on today's video I'm going to show you how you can create an avatar in Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get started with our video. First of all, launch the Instagram application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now from this home page, head over to your profile page by tapping on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Now again, tap on the three horizontal line icon that you will find on the upper left corner, on the upper right corner. Again, from the settings and activity page, tap on the account centers at the very top of this interface. Now again, tap on your profile. Again, tap on your profile again. Now, once you get to this interface, there you will get option as avatar. So tap on that. Select your Instagram account. Now, to get started, first of all, you have to choose a skin tone for your avatar. Then tap on next. Here you can customize your avatar the way you want. There are hairstyles, so you can select any type of hairstyle that you would like to go with. Then tap on next. Then select the hair color. Again, keep on tapping on next. Then you can select the shape of your face. Then again go on next, and finally you can choose an outfit. Once you're done, tap on done. Then tap on save from the upper right corner, and that's how you can create avatar with Instagram. That's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.